Wildwood 29FKBS. The Wildwood 29FKBS wants to take you all the places you've been dreaming of. A large sliding glass door offers tons of natural light into this rig. With a large awning, you can relax in the shade and enjoy the great outdoors. 2 exterior speakers pump your favorite playlist out to you while you relax. With 2 wardrobes, plenty of shelves, overhead cabinets, and underbed storage, you'll have plenty of space for everything in the master bedroom. A cozy queen bed waits to whisk you off to sleep at the end of a busy day. The private full bath offers privacy to get you cleaned up and ready to go. When you just want to kick back and relax, you'll find a recliner and sofa in the living room waiting to comfort you. The sofa folds out into a bed for added sleeping space. With a refrigerator for cold items and a large pantry for dry goods, you can bring along all the ingredients you need to make home-cooked meals on the go. Making dinner is a breeze with the 3-burner range, oven, and microwave. You'll find tons of cabinet space in this kitchen, so you can bring along all your favorite gadgets and tools. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.